We'll wait for 2
Good
more
morning,
minutes.
ma'am.
Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day to you also. Vishal sir, are you there? Can you show some video to them till we wait for all the others to join? Can you show them something?
I love you. You are so nice. You are so kind. You are the best. You are the best. I love you. Yes, I do. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, teachers. I love you. I love you. You work so hard. You make us good. And I will be old. Remember you. Remember you. I love you. Yes, I do. Thank you, teachers. I study in class 2. Today I am going to tell some line on my favorite teacher. My favorite teacher is Jaya ma'am. She is very joyful person. She is very sincere. She looks very young and she is very affectionate person. I love my teacher very much. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very good, Seher. Thank you so much. Beautiful.
Thank
Good.
you, sir.
Next, Jyoti ma'am. Next.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Now we have got class 7 students, and now we will be mixing with we'll be having speeches, and it's given by Dr. Abdul Kalam. So we have Vaishnavi of class 7. Vaishnavi.
First of all, a very happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Vaishnavi of class 7. Today I am going to represent a part of the speech of APJ Abdul Kalam. I have 3 visions for India. In 3000 years of our history, people from all over the world have come and invaded us, captured our lands, conquered our minds. From Alexander onwards, the Greeks, the Turks, the Mughals, the Portuguese, the British, the French, the Dutch, all of them came and looted us. Yet we have not done this to any other nation, not conquered their land, we have not grabbed their culture, their history, and tried to enforce our way of life on them. Why? Because we respect the freedom of others. That is why my first vision is that of freedom. I believe that India got its first vision of this in 1857 when we started the War of Independence. It is this freedom that we must protect and nurture and build on. If we are not free, no one will respect us. Thank you, ma'am.
Beautiful, beautiful, Vaishnavi. Beautiful.
Thank you so much, Vaishnavi.
This is like Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, if you just can come again, like I want to talk to you about this speech. What you have learned from this speech? Like you have told so many good things in this speech. Can you just tell me what you have learned from this speech and what is your takeaway when you will remember these words of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam? आपने इससे क्या सीखा?
I'm like, India is not like others.
Very good. Very
India respect the freedom of other countries.
good.
We do not rule on others.
जब हम लोग बहुत स्ट्रांग थे, जब भारत बहुत स्ट्रांग था, हम तब भी किसी को कॉन्कर करने के लिए या किसी के देश के बॉर्डर्स को पार करने के लिए नहीं जाते थे. So we respect others' freedom and we want others to respect our freedom also. Like right now, China, जो अभी चाइना कर रहा है, वो ठीक कर रहा है?
No, ma'am.
नहीं, वो हमारे बॉर्डर्स पे आ गया है, तो हमको क्या करना चाहिए? हमको भाग जाना चाहिए, उसको आने देना चाहिए या हमको लड़ना चाहिए?
मैम हमको लड़ना चाहिए।
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। हम लोगों को इस समय बहुत स्ट्रांग होना है। वी हैव टू बी वेरी सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंट, वी हैव टू बी सेल्फ रिलायंट। और इसीलिए अभी हम लोगों को चाइना की कोई गेम्स नहीं खेलनी है। पबजी तो
Yes,
बैन
ma'am.
हो गया, कितने बच्चे पबजी खेलते थे, सब पबजी सब बैन हो चुका है। यस, वी हैव टू प्ले आवर आउटडोर गेम्स। गुड, जो बच्चे नहीं खेलते थे बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन कोई वीडियो गेम्स नहीं खेलनी है। दैट इज ऑल्सो, आप लोग तो बॉर्डर्स पे नहीं जा सकते,
Yes, ma'am.
हम लोग जा सकते हैं बॉर्डर्स पे? नहीं जा सकते।
No, ma'am.
मैम मेरे घर पे वीडियो गेम है ही नहीं।
यस, हमको चाइना से कैसे लड़ाई करनी है? कोई वीडियो गेम नहीं खेलेंगे हम लोग, ठीक है? हम लोग क्या खेलेंगे? हम
चाइना आपको सामान भी नहीं
हम
खरीद।
लोग क्या करेंगे?
चाइना आपको
Outdoor
सामान भी नहीं
games.
खरीद।
यस, हम लोग बैट बॉल खेलेंगे, हम लोग बैडमिंटन खेलेंगे, हम लोग हॉपस्कॉच खेलेंगे, हम लोग वी कैन प्ले एनी अदर गेम, यू नो, वी कैन हैव स्किपिंग, वी कैन डू रनिंग, वी कैन डू वॉकिंग, बट हम लोग वीडियो गेम्स नहीं खेलेंगे। ओके, दिस इज आवर वे टू शो that we are against China. Fine, we don't want
Yes,
China
ma'am.
to enter our borders. Fine, so it's very important the freedom, to respect the freedom of others. अगर आपने एक छोटी सी चिड़िया को एक पिंजरे में बंद कर दिया तो उसको कैसा लगेगा? कैसा लगेगा श्रद्धा?
मैम सैड।
Sad.
Yes, sad.
आपने उस पिंजरे का दरवाजा धीरे से खोल दिया तो उसको कैसा लगेगा?
मैम उसे अच्छा लगेगा।
उसको अच्छा लगेगा, वो उड़ेगी, फ्री हो जाएगी। Yes, free birds are always happy. Free birds are
ऑलवेज
happy. Okay, so we have to, respect the freedom of others. Very good, Vaishnavi. I'm very happy that you have spoken these lines very nicely. Thank you so much, Vaishnavi. Thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am.
And I'm very happy to see you again, your face.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So very nice and encouraging thoughts by Vaishnavi. And now we have got Jivesh of class 6. Jivesh of class 6.
Happy Teachers Day to all of you, respected principal ma'am and my teachers. My name is Jivesh Krishna. I study in class 6. My topic is written by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the Missile Man of India.
Good.
My second reason for India's development: for 50 years, we have been a developing nation. It is a time we see ourselves as a developed nation. We are among the top 5 nations of the world in terms of GDP. We have 10% growth rate in most areas. Our poverty levels are falling. Our achievements are being globally recognized today. Yet we lack the self-confidence and achievement are globally recognized today. Yet we lack the self-confidence to see ourselves as a developed nation. Self-reliant and self-assured, isn't this correct? Thank you.
Very good. Thank you so much, Jivesh. Thank you.
Jivesh for your for these words. And now we are having Simran of class 7. Simran, class 7.
मेरा लास्ट बताओ। पूरी क्लास पूरा लास्ट
Simran is there. Simran, class 7.
I think she's not here.
No, ma'am, Simran is not here.
Simran is not there. Then I think we shall have Subhash Chandra Bose speech by Harshita and Soumya, class 8.
Okay, Harshita, please come over.
Good morning, respected principal, ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Harshita Kumar from class 8. Today I am going to present a speech written by Subhash Chandra Bose. Friends, 12 months ago, a new program of social mobilization is before Indians in East Asia. Today, I shall give you an account of our achievements during the past year and shall place before you our demands for the coming. I want to emphasize once what a golden opportunity we have for a British in worldwide struggle. Because of this struggle, they have suffered defeat after defeat on so many fronts. The enemy, having been thus considerably weakened, our fight for liberty has become very much easier than it was 5 years ago. Such a rare and God given opportunity once comes in a century. That is why we have sworn to fully utilize this opportunity for liberating our motherland from the British yoke. Thank you.
Harshita, beautiful. Your speech is always beautiful, and I always enjoy listening to you every time. Harshita, I just want to know how is Arpita?
Thank you, ma'am.
Your sister, how is she now?
Nana, she is fine.
Good, good. Just convey our best wishes and lot of blessings to Arpita, and we all hope that she should get well very soon.
And she is speaking speech today.
Acha, okay, fine. That's right.
She has joined. She has joined. Yes.
Wonderful,
Okay. So
wonderful.
can I just put a question?
Yes, I want to, yeah, please put up the questions. Yeah.
So you're talking. Class 8 has been given the speech of Subhash Chandra Bose. Now, can anyone of you in the class, can anyone tell about his famous slogan that he had given for India?
That is, मैं तुम्हें खून दूंगा तुम मुझसे आजादी दो.
Yes, I think that's correct.
Good. So who has answered this question?
I think Ayushi is there.
Ayushi, you should speak it. Subhash Chandra Bose ji was a very loud orator. So yeah, I think you should repeat it once again with a loud voice.
Please repeat, Ayushi.
तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा.
Okay, better.
Yes.
And with this I want to tell you, हमको हमेशा better बनना है. क्या बनना है बच्चों? Better. क्या बनना है? Better. और हमको bitter नहीं बनना. Bitter नहीं बनना. क्या बनना है? Better. Yes. So yeah, we don't have to become bitter, but we have to become better. So Ayushi, once again with a loud voice. मैं तुम्हें
खून दो मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. तुम मुझे आजादी दो.
नहीं अगेन आपको थोड़ा सा और तेज बोलना है. थोड़ा आपको और लाउड.
तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा.
Okay. Can anyone else try?
Let the Josh be high. Let the Josh be high.
सर थोड़ा सा जोश को हाई करिए. शाल सर हैं?
Somebody is saying मैं बोलूं. Somebody is saying मैं बोलूं. I think Samar.
Okay. Samar, so you just try.
Yes.
तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा.
ठीक है. Again it's better. Fine, Jyoti ma'am. We can just carry on.
Okay. Now next we have got Soumya of class 8. Soumya of class 8. On the same speech given by Subhash Chandra Bose, it's an excerpt. Soumya.
Good morning, everyone, and happy Teachers' Day to respected Principal Ma'am and all my respected teachers. Today, I'm going to give a speech written by Subhash Chandra Bose. I'm so very hopeful and optimistic about the outcome of our struggle. because I do not rely merely on the efforts of our 3 million Indians in East Asia. Here is a gigantic movement going on inside India, and millions of our countrymen are prepared for the maximum sufferings and sacrifice in order to achieve liberty. Unfortunately, ever since the Grace of Fight in 1857, our countrymen are disarmed, whereas the enemy is armed to the teeth, without arms and without modern army. It is impossible for a disarmed people to win the freedom in this modern age. Through the grace of Providence and through the help of the generous Nippon, it has become possible for the India in East Asia to get arms and build up the modern army. Moreover, Indians in East Asia are united to man in the endeavor to win freedom, and all the religious and other differences that the British tried to engineer inside India simply do not exist in East Asia. Thank you.
Good, very good. Beautiful, beautiful voice and very clear speech. Good, wonderful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Soumya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nicely said. Nicely said. Very good. Now we have got speech by Bal Gangadhar Tilak and class 6 students. So we have got Atharmani here. Atharmani, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please start, Atharmani.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and my all dear friends. Myself, Atharmani Tripathi, from class 6th, I am going to present a speech on Bal Gangadhar Tilak. I am young in spirit, even if my body has grown old. The young spirit inside me is still alive. Whatever I am saying today is deeply felt by this young spirit inside me. The body can build, it can disrupt or even perish, but the soul residing in the body is forever young. Similarly, if our home rule activities slow down, the freedom of our inner spirit cannot sustain, and no longer will it be indestructible. Then we ourselves will start believing that we are slaves. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day.
Athar,
Yes, ma'am.
what you have learned from these lines, home rule? I think it's you are talking about the home rule only. आपने आपने इन लाइन से क्या सीखा है, अथर?
Ma'am, I've learned that, ma'am, I'm young in spirit and ma'am, my body is old, ma'am, but ma'am, the spirit is young.
Okay, good. Okay, let the speech be complete. Then we can ask the questions. Fine, Jyoti ma'am. The next student of the same speech.
Okay, Anubhuti, class 6. Anubhuti is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please start, Anubhuti.
Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, ma'am, dear teachers, and all my friends. Today I am going to represent a speech of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Freedom is my birthright. I'll not be old as long as it is alive within me. This feeling of freedom, no weapon can cut it, no fire can burn it, no water can drown it, and no wind can blow it. We are asking for home rule, and well, we'll get it. The science of politics teaches us that we cannot achieve through slavery what we can achieve through home rule. The political progress is the pillar of nation. I want to invoke your soul that yearns for freedom, which will only happen through the political progress. Thank you.
Good. Very
Thank
good.
you,
Very
Anubhuti.
beautiful speech you have spoken.
Nicely spoken also. Next we
Thank you,
have
ma'am.
Samar of class 8. Samar Pratap Singh. Are you
Yes,
there?
ma'am.
Please.
My name is Sir Pratap Singh. I study in class 6. My topic is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. My speech is start. I want to destroy this superstition of slavery that has blinded your spirit. This superstition is the reason why you are being let down by ignorance. conniving and selfish people. There are two sides to the science of politics. While one is celestial, another is demonic. The slavery of any nation is the demonic side. There cannot be a moral justification for this. A nation which might justify this is sinful in the sight of God. Some bravely oppose this demonic side of Operation Wild. Some who cannot never be able to declare what is harmful to them. Thank you and have a nice day.
समर, what you have learned from these lines, समर, can you please explain? आपने इससे क्या सीखा?
मैं आपको पूरी मैम जो हमने बोली मैम उसका पूरा मतलब बताएं?
आप इसका पूरा मुझे मतलब बताइए. आपने जितना बोला उसी का मतलब बताइए कि आपने इससे क्या सीखा बेटे.
मैम कि मैम हम जो इसकी मीनिंग बताते मैम हिंदी में हम क्या समझाए कि मैम जो बात कर रहा था तिलक से, मैम जो लोग अंधविश्वास करते थे गुलामी पे, मैम इन सबको डिस्ट्रॉय मतलब एकदम से खत्म करना चाहते थे. और जो ना उनके अंदर की जो अंधे थे, उनकी स्पिरिट एकदम आत्मा से वो अंधे थे. और जो सुपरस्टिशन से अंधविश्वास थे, तो उनको जो बचा कि जो इग्नोरेंस कनाइविंग वो सेल्फिश पीपल उन्हें खरीद लेते थे, तो वो उनके हो जाते थे. तो मैम जो ना बाल गंगाधर तिलक उनको यही हटाना चाहते थे, मैम डिस्ट्रॉय करना चाहते थे, मैम पूरी तरह से खत्म करना. और मैम उसके मैम जस्टिफाई मैम कभी वो देयर कैन नॉट बी अ मॉरल जस्टिफिकेशन फॉर दिस, मैम उसका जस्टिफाई नहीं कर पाए मैम. फिर मैम जो है ना a nation which might justify this is sinful of sight of God. तो मैम जब nation of which might justify, मैम जो nation था वो हमेशा माइंड था, जस्टिफाई नहीं कर पाया. तो this is sinful in the sight of God. मैम sight of God सब एक मैम बहुत वो समझदार अपोज द डेमोनिक साइड ऑफ ऑपरेशन वाइल्ड. मैम मतलब मैम ऑपरेशन का मतलब क्या होगा मैम इसमें?
Yes, I want. Anyone want to speak on this? What is asking, Samar? Yeah, Jyoti ma'am.
Opposition meaning to oppose, उसका विरोध करना. कोई भी ऐसे लोग नहीं थे जो उनको विरोध कर पा रहे थे. किनको? ब्रिटिशर्स को, right? So he is talking about ignorance. He is talking about ignorance and andhvishwas. Andhvishwas is what? Superstition. So he is trying to free people of these ignorance and superstitions so that they can be free and they can fight against the British rule. That is what he is trying to make people aware. Yes, opposition. Yes, opposition means विरोध करना. Yes.
Some who cannot be able to declare. मैम some कुछ लोग थे जो कभी जो ना वो एबल नहीं हुए डिक्लेयर करने के लिए व्हाट इज हार्मफुल टू देम. मैम उनके लिए क्या नुकसान होता है. थैंक यू मैम.
Okay, very good. I really
he has tried to explain too much.
Yeah,
too
yes.
much. He has explained.
No. That's one thing I want to listen. Sarita ma'am, you want to add something into whatever Samar Pratap Singh has explained to us? आप इसमें कुछ ऐड करना चाहते हो? Sarita ma'am.
Yes ma'am. Samarth, you spoke very well, beta. Very happy I am.
Thank you.
And add the slogan given by the Lokmanya Tilak. What is बाल गंगाधर तिलक? स्वराज्य मेरा जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार है और मैं इसे लेकर ही रहूंगा. ठीक है, ये इनका स्लोगन था. और ये इस स्लोगन ने उस समय लोगों के बीच में इतनी ज्यादा स्ट्रेंथ भर दी, इतना पावर भर दिया कि उनके साथ एक जन आंदोलन लोगों ने शुरू कर दिया और फाइनली हमें फ्रीडम मिली. ओके
मैम.
एक इसमें और लाइन भी हमने जो इस स्पीच में एक लाइन है, होम रूल की जो लाइन है, दैट हैज टू आल्सो बी एक्नॉलेज्ड समर्थ, दैट अगर कोई हमारे घर आके रुक जाता है और हमें कुछ भी नहीं देता, ओके, तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए? यस,
विशाल सर ने बताया था.
यस
ये हमें अच्छा नहीं लगता है.
होम रूल जो है
यहीं पे कब्जा कर लिए।
यस, सो इसके ऊपर लाइक उन्होंने ज़्यादा कहा कि ये जो होम रूल पॉलिसी है ये इनको हमको इसको बिल्कुल पकड़ के रखना चाहिए, दैट नो बडी शुड कम टू आवर होम। ठीक है, अगर अगर कोई हमारे घर में एंटर करने की कोशिश करे समर्थ, तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए? और वो घुस जाए, वो घुसना चाहे, वो बहुत सारे लोगों को देखना चाहिए,
तो गुस्सा आएगी,
उनको हमको अंदर एंटर करने देना चाहिए।
मैम बाहर
नहीं, बहुत दिन तक रहेंगे तो गुस्सा आएगी, बहुत दिन रहेंगे तो गुस्सा आएगी।
कोई परेशान करता है,
वो आए थे कुछ दिनों के लिए, लेकिन फिर
जैसे कि आप जैसे मुझे कोई मैम अंदर आ जाए, मैम घर में आ जाए, बहुत आपके सामने तो मैं डिसिप्लिन में रहना पड़ेगा, तो मैम उसमें जो ना मैम अजीब सी फील आएगी कि मैम कुछ कर नहीं पाते हैं मैम, इसलिए मैम ऐसी अजीब सी फीलिंग सी आती है।
नहीं, गेस्ट आर ऑलवेज लाइक दे आर यू नो वेलकम्ड, लेकिन nobody should come and stay forever, fine। वो आए, आके एज गेस्ट आए, they should come as a guest, but they should not make our home their home। Is it okay? So that's a home rule policy। So इसी के ऊपर उन्होंने बोला, तिलक ने, तो उनकी जो स्पीच है, जो आपने अभी बोली, वो इसी के ऊपर है। वेरी नाइस। सो आई रियली वांट टू गिव यू वन सिचुएशन समर्थ, कि अगर सपोज जैसे लाइक अगर आपके साथ आपका एक बहुत अच्छा फ्रेंड जा रहा है, फाइन समर्थ, ठीक, तो कुछ लोग आ गए, उन्होंने आपके फ्रेंड को, बट शी इज अ वेरी गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ योर, उन्होंने आपके फ्रेंड को मारना शुरू कर दिया, उसको परेशान करना शुरू कर दिया, तो आप क्या करोगे समर्थ?
मेरे आसपास जो बड़े अंकल होंगे मैं उनको बुलाऊंगा, क्योंकि खुद लड़ने गया तो फिर मुझे ही पीट देंगे।
नहीं, बट समर्थ यू हैव टू बी यू नो स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ। आप कौन सी क्लास में हो? क्लास 6 में?
यस मैम।
अभी आप छोटे हो, लेकिन आप जब बहुत बड़े हो जाओगे, यू हैव टू बी स्ट्रॉन्ग, यू हैव टू बी कॉन्फिडेंट, यू हैव टू।
मैम हमें जाके उनसे फाइट करनी चाहिए ताकि वो हमारे फ्रेंड्स।
आप जब तक किसी बड़े को बुला के लेके आओगे, तब तक तो आपके फ्रेंड को बहुत परेशान कर देंगे।
मैम फिर रोने लगेगा, और मैम जब वो देखेगा कि वो किसी को बुला रहे तो भाग जाएगा।
हमको क्या करना है? सबसे पहले उनको समझाना है।
अगर आप बड़े की बात कर रही हैं तो फिर मैं उनको खुद पीट के भगा दूंगा। आगे बड़े की छोटी की बात करने में
हम किसी को लड़ने, आपको किसी से लड़ना नहीं है, लेकिन आपको ये करना है दैट यू हैव टू मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड दिस, डोंट डू दिस, यू हैव टू बी स्ट्रांग इनफ टू टेल दिस।
Okay, so this was Samar Pratap, and great analysis done by him, but he tried to answer many of the questions. So now we have got Divyansh of class 7. Yes, Vishal sir.
I want to add, जो ये स्पीच है बाल गंगाधर तिलक जी की, तो उनकी जो फर्स्ट लाइन है वो कह रही है कि आई वांट टू डिस्ट्रॉय दिस सुपरस्टिशन ऑफ स्लेवरी दैट हैज बीन ब्लाइंडेड आवर स्पिरिट, है ना। तो जैसे हमारे कुछ बच्चों को हमने एग्जांपल दिया था कि कुछ बच्चे लगातार टॉप करते हैं हमारी क्लास में। बहुत सारे बच्चे क्या करते हैं कि वो कई बार सोचते हैं कि हम तो कुछ कर ही नहीं पाएंगे, टॉप तो उसको ही करना है ना। तो ये हमारी कई बार हमारे माइंड में बैठ जाता है। वैसे ही हमारे इंडिया में भी जब अंग्रेजों ने कब्जा कर लिया और बहुत ज़्यादा हमको परेशान किया, सब कुछ किया, तो बहुत सारे इंडियंस थे जो चुपचाप बैठ गए और उन्होंने सोचा कि हम तो अब गुलाम ही हैं। मैंने उनकी वो आत्मा से सोच बैठे थे अपने अंदर से कि हम लोग गुलाम ही हैं। तो बाल गंगाधर तिलक जी ने इस चीज़ को डिस्ट्रॉय किया, कहीं नहीं, आप इस घर के मालिक हैं, आप गुलाम नहीं हैं, तो आपको लड़ना है और इनको भगाना है बाहर। तो ये इस स्पीच का एक
very true. This is the only conclusion of this speech. Thank you, Vishal sir. That was a very good conclusion from your side. Thank you so much. Jyoti ma'am, next.
And Divyansh of class 7. Divyansh is there.
Good morning. Yes, ma'am. Good morning and happy Teachers' Day to respected principal ma'am and all my teachers. Today I am going to present the speech which is written by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. These people are capable of giving political and religious teaching but they do not educate the common people about it. Religious and political teaching are not separate, though they appear to be so on account of foreign rule. All philosophies are included in the science of politics. Who doesn't understand the meaning of home rule? Who doesn't desire it? If I enter your house as a guest, reside there forever, and if I don't pay heed when you oppose, would you like it? According to some people, we don't have the right to home rule. The British are ruling over us for the past century and they say we are not fit for home rule. Thank you.
वो हमारे ही घर में आके हमको उन्होंने कहा कि we are not fit for our home. You know, just see this. They were saying for us that we are not fit for our own home. So yes, this was the opposition which was there in the speech, and very well spoken, very well spoken. Divyansh, thank you so much. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now we have Arpita of class 6. Arpita of class 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we want to see you. Wow. How are you, baby?
I'm fine.
You have to be fine, you know. Good people have to be every time fine. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to eat more fruits, Arpita.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now, please carry on. Carry on.
Good afternoon, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. I'm Arpita of class 6, and today I'm going to present a speech with you, which is written by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who doesn't understand the meaning of home rule? Who doesn't desire it? If I enter your house as a guest, reside there forever, and if I don't pay heed when you oppose, would you like it? According to some people, the British are ruling over us from the past century, and they say we are not fit for home rule. Thank you.
Very good. Okay, that's a repetition, but still it was a sweet voice of Arpita. Thank you, Arpita. Thank you for being here with us, and we are again very thankful to your parents also, who are giving you this courage to speak on this platform.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much to parents also.
Then we have Navya of class 6. Navya is there?
Yes, she's there. Navya,
please start.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. My name is Navya Verma from class 6. Today I am going to tell you about Bal Gangadhar Tilak. If the century of British rule has not been able to make us competent enough for home rule, then we will make ourselves fit for it. They find it shameful that we are making efforts to save our country on home to save our country. On the other hand, England itself is trying to protect the small state of Belgium with India's help.
Navya, can you just put your video on? Navya, I request you to please put your video on.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now it's okay. Now you please carry on.
If the century of British rule hasn't been able to competent enough for home rule, then we will make ourselves fit for it. They find They find it shameful that we are making efforts to save our country. On the other hand, England itself is trying to protect the small state of Belgium with India's help. Those who find a selfish motive behind our demands or home rule can even find fault in the all merciful God. Thank you.
Very good, Navya. It's a good effort from your side. Yeah, please. Next.
Then we have Mansi, class 8. Mansi. Mansi is there?
Yeah, she's there.
Mansi, please start.
Good morning, everyone. I am Mansi Shrivastava from class 8. Today I am presenting a speech on Bal Gangadhar Tilak. We all must save the soul of our nation from the custody of foreign rule. We have to toil for it, but it is not rightful to protect our nation. The Congress has passed this Home Rule resolution. Some selfish interests oppose India's demand for home rule in politics on the pretext of several issues leading our country. One such issue is illiteracy, but together we all can illiterate it. Remember, such issues can only be solved with cooperation. It would be sufficient for us that even the illiterate in our country have the desire for Swaraj. Let it be the stage of all. Those who can easily complete their own work can be literate but are not foolish. They can be illiterate, intelligent as any literate person. Literacy cannot be the parameter for intelligence. Thank you.
Good. So, Mansi, can you tell me what you have learned from the last line, intelligence and literacy? आप इसको हिंदी में बताइए, आपने इस स्पीच से या इन लाइन से क्या सीखा?
मैम वे किसी भी असाक्षर व्यक्ति
नहीं, आपको ये स्पीच समझ आई जो आपने बोला?
यस मैम.
ओके, तो आपको इसमें सबसे अच्छी बात कौन सी लगी?
मैम लास्ट लाइन.
क्या है उसमें?
हम कोई भी साक्षर व्यक्ति बुद्धिमान हो सकता है.
हो सकता है. यस, वेरी गुड. लाइक और इसमें जो इलिटरेसी की बात करी है कि एक ही तरीका है हमको अपने आप को फ्रीडम जो हम फ्रीडम की बात करते हैं उसके लिए जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट जो चीज़ है दैट इज एजुकेशन, दैट इज लिटरेसी. यस, तो जितनी ज़्यादा एजुकेशन होगी उतनी ज़्यादा नॉलेज होगी एंड व्हेन वी विल बी नॉलेजेबल वी ऑल विल बी फ्री. कैसे? जब हम नॉलेजेबल हो जाएंगे तो हम फ्री कैसे हो जाएंगे बताइए? जब हम नॉलेजेबल हो जाएंगे तो इसका फ्रीडम से कैसे लिंक है बताओ? एनी आइडिया?
सेल्फ इंडिपेंडेंट.
यस, वेरी गुड. clap for the person who has spoken this. Who is this?
मैम स्नेहा.
स्नेहा, वंडरफुल. जब हम नॉलेजेबल हो जाएंगे तब हम किसी पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं होंगे. वी विल बी इंडिपेंडेंट. वी विल मूव टुवर्ड्स आत्मनिर्भर भारत, जिसकी हमारी प्राइम मिनिस्टर बात करते हैं. वो बात करते हैं टू बी सेल्फ रिलायंट, अपने ऊपर डिपेंडेंसी, अपने मेक इन इंडिया प्रोडक्ट्स. वी हैव टू डेवलप एवरीथिंग इन इंडिया. वी विल नॉट डिपेंड ऑन एनी अदर नेशन. दैट इज अ लिंक बिटवीन नॉलेज एंड फ्रीडम. जब हम खुद सब कुछ करना शुरू कर देंगे तो हमें किसी की जरूरत नहीं है. चाइना की जरूरत नहीं है, हमें रशिया की जरूरत नहीं है, हमें यूएस की जरूरत नहीं है, हमें किसी की जरूरत नहीं है. वी विल डू एवरीथिंग आवरसेल्व्स. ओके, ओनली नॉलेज कैन डू दैट. हमको बहुत जल्दी आत्मनिर्भर की तरफ.
मैम ताकि हमारा जो हिंदुस्तान है वो नंबर 1 पे आ जाए.
यस, नंबर 1 पे आ जाए. और दैट इज द ओनली रीजन जो हमारे जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं वो मेक इन इंडिया प्रोडक्ट्स की बात करते हैं कि हम सब कुछ अपनी इंडिया में बनाएं. हम कोई भी चीज बाहर से इम्पोर्ट. ओके, नॉट इवन मोबाइल फोन्स, हम सब कुछ अपने इंडिया में ही बनाएं. और जो अगर कोई चाहता भी है इंडिया आना तो वो हमारे भारत में आकर हमारे भारत में इन्वेस्ट करे.
हमें बाहरी देश से कुछ लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. जो हम बाहर से लेते हैं वही हम अपने हिंदुस्तान में भी बना सकते हैं.
जब ये सब कुछ बनाना
टॉयज ऑल्सो, खिलौने भी. टॉयज ऑल्सो नाउ.
टॉयज ऑल्सो.
मैम आई डोंट हैव एनी मेड इन चाइना टॉय.
Good,
very good.
Very good.
Good.
We are not against China. We are not against China. Chinese people are good. Like Pakistanis. ऐसा नहीं है कि Pakistanis are not good. Many Pakistanis are very knowledgeable. They are very high educationalist. लेकिन somehow अगर उनका we are against their moves. We are against their intentions. Okay. We are not against Chinese people. We are against Chinese की जो government है उसके जो उनकी intentions है, we are against those intentions. We are not against anyone, any one person in person. Fine, Mansi. So I think you understood whatever you have spoken today. Mansi.
Now we have Ayushi of class 8.
Okay.
Ayushi.
Good afternoon, everyone, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and my friend. Myself, Ayushi Pandey from class 8. Today, I am going to tell a speech of Bal Gangadhar Tilak. It is not difficult to attain Swaraj. Thus, illiteracy can never be the obstacle in the way. Our uneducated brethren are equally important for this country's home rule. They have equal rights. The circumstance changed in no time. Today, only voice echoes. Now or never. Therefore, we must take advantage of these opportunities given to us by God and should put our maximum efforts in the struggle for home rule. Turn not back and confidently leave the unlimited issue.
Mansi, आपका वीडियो हमेशा ऑन होना चाहिए. Whenever you are speaking, the first ethics of speaking is that आपका वीडियो ऑन हो. Please, I'm sorry to interrupt you, but kindly put your video on.
Ma'am, it's on.
But I'm not able to see. I'm just able to hear you out. Everyone is able to see. Jyoti ma'am, you're able to see?
No, not able to see. Please on करो. नहीं.
जो भी अपनी स्पीच को बोले, अपना वीडियो और ऑडियो दोनों ऑन करके फिर स्टार्ट करिए आप. Kindly put the video on, Ayushi.
Ma'am, it's on. From starting, it's on. Why?
Anyone is able to see? Anyone is able to see? Ayushi, Vishal sir?
No, ma'am.
Geeta ma'am?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's not.
Okay, no problem.
Network problem from her side.
No problem, Ayushi. Please carry on. Carry on.
Turn not back and confidently leave the unlimited issue to the benevolence of the Almighty. Thank you.
Fine, Ayushi. We wish to see your face also next time. Okay.
Okay, then again, moving on to speak about teachers, we have got class 3rd and 4th students. And we have got first Samrid of class 3rd. Samrid. Samrid is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Please start.
Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Samriti of class 3rd. I am going to tell 5 lines about my class teacher. My class teacher name is Rashmi Srivastava. He encourages us to do better next time. He is very friendly. He
Okay, Samrid, are you there?
Some audio issues are there, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Samrid, we want to see you.
Samrid.
Yes, ma'am.
Put the video on, baby. Yes.
Samrid, please start.
Now, please start.
Everyone, I am Samrit Patil of class 3rd. I am going to tell 5 lines about my class teacher. My class teacher name is Mrs. Rashmi Srivastava. He encourages us to do better next time. He is very friendly. He teaches us good things. He is very good teacher.
Very good. Beautiful, Samrit. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Samrit. Good. How are you?
Very nice. Then we have got Satvik of class 3rd.
Fine. Is Satvik there?
Satvik is there?
Yes, ma'am.
No? Please start, Satvik.
My favorite teacher is my name is Satvik Gupta. This topic is teachers. My favorite teacher is the female. He is my English teacher. He is teacher but very helpful and patient. All the students love her a lot. All of you. Thank you.
Very good, Satvik. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Rashmi ma'am, I think you're listening whatever they have said.
Yes,
Rashmi.
Satvik.
So you want to say something to Rashmi? Rashmi, you want to say something to Satvik and Samrid?
Yes, ma'am. They speak very well, ma'am.
Yeah. So we are missing you, Samrid and Satvik, and you're naughty. You know, like some of your whenever you used to play in the recess period, and you used to run like here and there, and you know it was all things which we are missing right now. So
do you miss Satvik? Do you miss school?
Yeah.
Satvik, do you miss school?
Satvik, you miss school? Yes. We also miss you. We also miss you a lot, and I'm so happy to see your faces once again. Thank you, Satvik. Thank you for these beautiful lines which you have told about Rashmi ma'am. We all love you.
Now we have Arohi. Arohi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please start, Arohi.
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन, मैं आरोही सिंह। आप सभी को टीचर्स डे की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। मेरी प्यारी रश्मि मैम मुझको रोज पढ़ाती हैं, संग हमारे खेलते हैं, हर पल वो मुस्काते हैं। मुझको वह अच्छी लगती हैं जब वो पाठ पढ़ाती हैं, नए नए वो बात बताती, अच्छे से समझाती हैं। सदा बड़ों का आदर करना हमको यह सिखलाती हैं। मेरी प्यारी रश्मि मैम मुझको वो पढ़ाती हैं। थैंक यू।
Oh, very good, beautiful Arohi, beautiful poem. I think it's a self-written poem. आपने खुद लिखा है इसको? Yes, Arohi. आरोही, आपने इसको खुद लिखा है मैम के लिए?
यस मैम।
आपने इसको खुद लिखा है मैम के लिए?
मैम मम्मा ने।
एक ही बात, मम्मा ने लिखा और आरोही ने थोड़ी सी हेल्प करी है, so it is one and the same thing, no problem. So again, very thankful to your mother also. She is around. Thank you, ma'am, and thank you for this beautiful work. I think Rashmi ma'am will remember these lines throughout life. Thank you once again.
Happy Teacher's Day, ma'am.
Happy Teachers' Day to you also.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Thank
please next. Who is next person?
Thank you, Arohi. Now we are.
Ma'am, Vidit want to say something, I think.
Okay, fine. Please carry on.
Please say.
Happy Teacher's Day, ma'am.
Happy Teachers' Day to you also, child. How are you, baby?
I am fine, ma'am.
You're fine, ma'am.
Oh,
Okay.
thank you so much. Now, okay, thank you so much, Arohi. Now we have Aradhika. Aradhika of class 4. Are you there?
Also there, please. Ma'am, Shivam Singh.
Shivam of class 3 is there? Shivam of class 3?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shivam, please start, Shivam. Then after that, Aradhika will have. Shivam first.
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन, मेरा नाम शिवम है, कक्षा मैं 3 में पढ़ता हूँ। आज का टॉपिक है मेरी मैडम। मेरी मैडम सबसे अच्छी, मेरी मैडम सबसे अच्छी, हम बच्चों की दोस्त से सच्ची, बहुत प्यार से हमें पढ़ाती, खेल खेल में अच्छी बात सिखाती। थैंक यू। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे मैम।
Happy Teachers' Day to you also, Shivam. Beautiful lines. Good.
Half visible. He was not fully. Okay. Now we have Aradhika. Aradhika of class 4. Aradhika, please start.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Aradhika Nath. I study in class 4. Today, I will talk about my favorite teacher. My favorite teacher is Rashmi ma'am. Her name represents R means she is a responsible teacher. A means she is an active teacher. S means she is very smart and sweet teacher. H means she is a helpful teacher. M means she is a marvelous teacher. And I means she is an intelligent teacher. Thank you everyone and happy Teachers Day.
It's so sweet. Wonderful.
And love you Rashmi ma'am.
Rashmi ma'am, she has done so much hard for you. Thank you, Radhika, and thank you for this beautiful objectives, ma'am. Wonderful.
Then we have class 4, Ran. Who's Ran? Rehan is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Please start, Rehan.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Rehan Ali, student of class. Today I am going to tell some lines on my favorite teacher. My favorite teacher is Kanis ma'am. She is very kind and soft-spoken. She is very ambitious person. She is very nice and very beautiful. She is very energetic and she is very educated. 8 person. She is very serious. And she is very kind. And she is very soft. And she is very ambitious person. She is very nice and educated person. She is very energetic and she is very soft. And she is very educated person. She is very kind and she is very energetic and she is very soft. And she is very ambitious person. She is very kind and she is very soft. And she is very energetic and she is very soft. And she is very kind and she is very soft. And she is very energetic and she is very soft. And she is very kind and she is very soft. And she is very energetic and she is very soft. And she is very kind and she is very soft. And she is very energetic and she is very soft. And she is very kind and she is very soft. And she is very energetic and she is very soft. And she is very energetic and she is very soft. And she is very energetic and she is very soft. And she is very energetic and she is very soft. And she is very energetic and she is very soft. And she is very energetic and she is very soft. And she is very energetic and she is very soft. And she is very energetic and she is very soft. And she is very energetic and she is very soft. And she is very energetic and she is very soft. And she is very energetic and she is very soft. And she is very energetic and she is very soft I love my teachers very much. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Rian. And it was a wonderful, speech from your side. And happy Teachers Day to you also.
Thank you so much. With so many wishes, we are really overwhelmed, all the teachers. And now, ending with the speeches, we have got a poem which is written by our respected director, sir. And class 5th students are going to recite that poem. And first, we have got Ehbar Ali.
Ma'am, Jyoti ma'am. Ma'am, Jyoti ma'am, class 4 is Shresht also speak. Shresht is also speak.
Shresht, I've got.
Yes. Shresht
Let him do. I don't have his name. It's not in the list, I think. Let him say.
Okay, so just let him, Shresht, please speak.
Please say.
Good morning to all principal, teacher, parents and my dear friends. Wish you all a very happy Teacher Day. My favorite teacher is Sarita ma'am. I'm going to some lines. Sending my love and from wishing to you one this wonderful ocean. A good teacher is like a candle burning. She consents herself to light the way for others. Then select me everything for my work. You always make understand things better. I was lucky to have a teacher as wonderful as you are. Teacher Day is celebrated every year on the 5th of September, which also marks the birth anniversary of our Sarvepalli Radha Krishna. All of your hard work and effort are greatly appreciated of Teacher Day. Thank you.
Very good, Shresh. It was a good effort from your side, for Sarita ma'am. And
thank you, Shresh. Happy Teachers Day to you all. God bless you, my child.
Good. Thank you, Shresh. Thank you so much. So we are moving on to class 5th. Yeah.
Now we are moving on to the poem that's written by our sir. So first, class 5th student, first Ehbar Ali will be starting with it. So let's hear Ehbar. Please start.
आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी और समस्त शिक्षक पर मेरी ओर से शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। मेरा नाम अहबार अली है और हम कक्षा 5 के छात्र आपके समक्ष आदरणीय डायरेक्टर सर द्वारा रचित एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं, जिसका शीर्षक है अमोद सिद्धि बुद्ध। कारिगल विजय के समांतर ही गलवान विजय वर्षों बाद मनाया जाएगा। गलवान घाटी तय करेगी कि आगामी 100 वर्षों तक विश्व अंतर्राष्ट्रीय नियम कानूनों के अनुसार चलेगा, पीढ़ियों का नियम लागू होगा। गलवान के भारतीय योद्धाओं ने जो पराक्रम दिखाया है वह विश्व के युद्ध इतिहास में अनूठा है, जो बिना अस्त्र शस्त्र के मात्र साहस और शुद्ध वीरता से लड़ा गया। भारत में चीन को बुद्ध दिया, संस्कृति दी, शिक्षा और जीने का सलीका दिया, लेकिन चीन ने केवल धोखा और रक्त दिया। Thank you and have a good Teachers Day.
Wonderful, Ehbar. Wonderful. You spoke very nicely. Good.
Thank you so much, Ehbar. Now we have Saman. Please start, Saman.
आप सबको शिक्षक दिवस की शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। मेरा नाम समन खान है। मैं कक्षा 5 की छात्रा हूँ। मैं आप लोगों को अमोघ सिद्धि बुद्ध के विषय के बारे में बताने जा रही हूँ। इसके लेखक डायरेक्टर सर हैं। क्या बुद्ध मात्र अहिंसा के ही पुजारी थे? बिल्कुल नहीं। अमोघ सिद्धि बुद्ध विश्व के नाशक हैं। चीन ने जो विश्वासघात का विष हमें दिया है, उसका जवाब गलवान में अर्धरात्रि में अमोघ सिद्धि बुद्ध के विषय के बारे में दिया है। इस ऐतिहासिक पल को मैंने कविता के माध्यम से कहने का प्रयास किया है। धन्यवाद। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
Very good, Saman. Very good. Good. Wonderful. Very well spoken. Very well spoken.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now we have Sneha. Sneha of class 8. Sneha, please start.
Yes, ma'am.
Please start.
Good afternoon, ma'am. First of all, I would like to say Happy Teachers Day, ma'am.
Happy Teachers Day to you also, Sneha. Please carry on.
My name is Singh. I study in class 5. आज मैं आपको एक कविता सुनाने वाली हूँ। ये कविता हमारे आदरणीय डायरेक्टर सर ने लिखी है।
स्नेहा प्लीज आपको थोड़ा सा अपना कैमरा अपना थोड़ा ऊपर करिए ताकि हम आपको फेस देख पाए। और ऊपर, थोड़ा सा और ऊपर, और थोड़ा सा। यस, नाउ इट्स परफेक्ट। प्लीज कैरी ऑन।
इस कविता का नाम है अमोघ सिद्धि बुद्ध गलवान के योद्धा। आमने सामने थी दोनों सेनाएं कब से अड़ी, एक कदम भी पीछे नहीं हटाने दूर से अड़ी। घायल हुआ हिमालय फिर से उठ चुका था, बढ़ते बाहुबल पर ड्रैगन अहंकारी हो उठा था। भारत भूमि हड़पने का निश्चय कर चुका था। दो सभ्यताएं बर्फीली चोटियों पर युद्ध को तत्पर, दोनों ही अत्यंत प्रचंड, तीव्र, घातक और सत्वर। एक था विनाशकारी, विध्वंसकारी और विस्तारवादक, एक था वसुदेव कुटुंबकम, गायक, विकासवादी। धन्यवाद।
Wonderful, wonderful, Sneha. Wonderful. Good. Very nice.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Sneha.
Thank you, Sneha. Sneha is really.
Okay.
Okay, please start.
Carry on.
राह पर चले तो राहबर बने वही, थाम जिसने कल भी आज भी। राह पर चले तो राहबर बने वही, वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही। मुझको मुझसे ढूंढा दी नई पहचान, नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान, ऊंची भरी उड़ान, ऊंची भरी उड़ान। मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दी नई पहचान, नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान। दूर उस गगन में उड़ते फिरते गाते, तराने हम तुम्हारे ही गुनगुनाते। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही। धूप में भी जैसे थे छाँव के तले, कांटों की चुभन भी मन को ना खले। धूप में भी जैसे थे छाँव के तले, कांटों की चुभन भी मन को ना खले। दिए की लौह की तरह जो सदा जले, रोशनी से जिसके हर अंधेरा ढले। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही। थैंक यू।
Beautiful, beautiful, Sneha. Wonderful, Sneha. I want to request you for one thing. आप मान जाओगे?
Yes.
Good. तो इसकी रिकॉर्डिंग आप मुझे करके हमको आप ग्रुप में भेज दोगे, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे। ज्योति मैम, प्लीज मेक श्योर कि इस स्नेहा की रिकॉर्डिंग इस सॉन्ग की आप प्लीज इनको मंगवा लीजिए।
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Definitely, such a lovely, lovely song she has done, and she has made our day. She has made our day really. So much. Thank you so much, Sneha.
Thanks so much, Sneha. And these words we will remember throughout our life.
Yes. Yes.
Your feelings, these emotions, they mean a lot to us. Thank you so much.
Yeah, really. And I think they are all extem-4 preparations on the spot. I think they have just come up with the entries. So really lovely feelings you have. And now I would request Avni of class 5th, Avni, to please recite the poem.
Happy Teachers Day to all my lovely teachers and dear principal ma'am. I am Avni Bhatia of class 5th. Today I am going to read a poem. The poem is written by our respected director. सर, एक था प्रचंड और अग्नि समान प्रलयंकर, एक था सौम्य और बुद्ध समान अभयंकर, थी बहु तेरे दर्प और दंभ की सेनाएं उस ओर, जो भी स्वाभिमान की अमिट रेखाएं इस ओर। भारत ने किया संधि वार्ता का प्रयास, विवेकशील नहीं चाहता युद्ध अनायास, नुकीले नाखूनों को छुपाकर रंगा सियार, धूर्त कपटी ने अंधकार में कर दिया प्रहार। Thank you.
Very good, Avni. But we would like to see your face also, Avni. Okay, she's yes, wonderful, Avni. Beautiful. You have spoken so nicely. So, Avni, आपको समझ आया ये से lines आपको समझ आई? What you have spoken? आपको इससे क्या समझ आया? Can you explain this? Sneha, you want to say something on these lines? Whatever you have spoken. अमोघ सिद्धि बुद्ध।
मैम, जो अभी पुलवामा में अटैक हुआ था, मैम ये कविता उसके बारे में बताई गई है।
यस यस। सो आपको कुछ कहना है इसके लिए? अमोघ सिद्धि बुद्ध की जो कविता जो आपने जो एक्सेप्ट बोला है, जो आपने पैरा बोला है, यू वांट टू से समथिंग फॉर दोज लाइंस?
मैम, वो इससे ये होता है कि मैम हम लोग अपने आप में ही सेल्फ इंडिपेंडेंट हो गए। मैम जैसे कोई लड़ाई होती है तो हम लोग ये नहीं कि हम लोग डर के पीछे चले जाएं, हम लोग को लड़ना होता है।
Yes, yeah, we have to be, we are emotional, you know. Indians are very emotional, but we will not be emotionally weak. We have to be emotionally strong. Okay, yeah, we cannot run away. We have to be emotionally strong and हम पूरा प्रयास करते हैं कि युद्ध ना हो, हमेशा पीस बना रहे। बट अगर कोई फिर भी नहीं मानता है तो we have to show our powers to them, because strength always respect strength. Strength हमेशा strength की ही respect करती है। ओके, strength कभी भी weak की respect नहीं करती। जो वीक है उसकी कभी भी रिस्पेक्ट नहीं होती। हमेशा रिस्पेक्ट किसकी की जाती है? जिसके पास पावर होती है। ओके, सो अभी सबसे ज्यादा पावरफुल कौन है पूरे वर्ल्ड में? अमेरिका। यस, यूएस। सो बिकॉज they are very powerful. They are very powerful like country. So we also have to be powerful like them. Fine, because हमारी रिस्पेक्ट सभी लोग तब करेंगे जब हमारे अंदर पावर होगी। ओके, सो ये अमोघ सिद्धि बुद्ध जो ये पोएम है, ये उन्हीं गलवान के योद्धाओं के लिए है कि उन्होंने जब चाइनीज ने हमारे 20 सैनिकों को मारा तो हमारे इंडियन सोल्जर्स ने उनके 43 सोल्जर्स को मारा। फाइन, सो वी ऑल्सो गेव अ वेरी गुड आंसर टू देम। फाइन, थैंक यू अवनी, थैंक यू फॉर दीज लाइन्स एंड वी कैन कंटिन्यू।
Yeah, now we have Soumya of class 5. Soumya, please start. Soumya is there?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Soumya Singh. I am student of class 5. Today I am presenting a poem written by our respected director, Sir अमोघ सिद्धि बुद्ध। गलवान की घाटी में इतिहास फिर से दोहराया गया, निहत्ते हुए सैनिकों को अनिति से मारा गया। बुद्ध ने फिर नेत्र खोले अपने अंतिम ज्ञान के, करो समर्पित स्वयं को माँ धरती के मान पे। चल पड़े नहर तब दुष्ट ड्रैगनों के संहार को, क्रोध कुंपित सूर्य निकला हो जैसे रात को। बुझा उखड़ी जांग तोड़ी मुष्टिका के प्रहार से, जांघों रखा छाती फाड़ डाली नाखूनों के वार से। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
Thank you, Soumya. But again, we would like to request you to see. We want to see your face next time. Because the video is not on. So kindly put your video on before you start speaking. Your audio and video should be on in all the virtual meetings because we want to see you. Yes, like this, Soumya. So next time, because we don't have enough time, because it's already 1, so our timings are from 11:30 to 1 only. So we'll take up all the things next time in a proper manner. But the first ethic for the virtual meeting is that whenever you start speaking, you should make sure that your video and audio is on. And when any other is speaking, then your audio should be off. You should mute at that time. Jyoti ma'am, please finally, you can just do it fast so that we can sum up.
Just two, three students are there. Yog of class 5th. Yog, please start. Yog is there, please start.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very good afternoon.
Principal ma'am and all my teachers. मेरा नाम युग कुमार है. मैं कक्षा 5 का विद्यार्थी हूँ. आज मैं आपके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत कर रहा हूँ. इस कविता का कवि हैं आदरणीय डायरेक्टर सर जी. इस कविता का शीर्ष है अमोद सिद्धि बुद्ध. शिला शिला चीख उठी, टहल गए वैरी पहाड़ भी, बूंद बूंद सहम उठी, मूर्छित हुई गर्जना दहाड़ की. संग्राम की प्रबल आग से हर शिखर दमदमा उठा, भारतीय शूरों के स्वर से गलवान जगमगा उठा. अहिंसा की सीख सही है पर स्वाभिमान सर्वोच्च है. पराजित होकर जीने से युद्ध भूमि में मृत्यु श्रेष्ठ है. भारत की धरती में जन्मा है गांधी बुद्ध संतोष सुभाष. माँ के गौरव की रक्षा हेतु सभी एक सीध सभी एक साथ. धन्यवाद. मेरी तरफ से आप सबको हैप्पी टीचर्स डे.
Beautiful, you spoke so well, and thank you to your parents that they have. Thank you mother, thank you father that you have trained him so well to speak these lines so beautifully, and you have put the life in these lines. Thank you so much, Yug. And the very beautiful line is that अहिंसा की चीख तो अच्छी है लेकिन स्वाभिमान सर्वोच्च है. Yes. So we all are very self-respected people. हमको अगर कोई कहेगा कि आपको लड़ाई नहीं करनी, हमको कोई लड़ाई नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन हमारी सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट को कोई टच ना करे, हमारे बॉर्डर्स को कोई टच ना करे. बॉर्डर्स हमारा स्वाभिमान है. Okay? Fine? Yes, you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Yug, for speaking so nicely. Thank you so much.
Very well spoken. Very well spoken with full expressions. Yeah. Yes. Now we have Ishan. Ishan is there. Please start, Ishan. Class 5th. Ishan, please start.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Ishan. I am studying in class 5th. आपको मेरी तरफ से शिक्षा दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. धर्म, दया, प्रेम, अहिंसा के पथ पर विश्व चलेगा. किसी के अतिशय लालच का ना या ग्रास बनेगा. क्रोधित महाकाल बुद्ध ने यहाँ धर्म घोष किया. रह गई दुनिया सन्न देखकर ऐसा प्रकाम युद्ध का. याद आया तत्क्षण समायिक कर्म अमोघ सिद्धि बुद्ध का. इतिहास में गलवान घाटी अमर स्मृति धर्म रेखा होगी. विश्व शांति के नए युग के प्रबुद्ध सूत्रपात मेधा होगी. थैंक यू.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Ishan. Wonderful. Good. Beautiful.
Thank you, Ishan. You've spoken well. Well tried. Paras of class 5th. Please start. Paras.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Paras Bhatia. I study in class 5. Today I am reading a poem. This poem is written by Director Sir. संपूर्ण जगत आज पुकारता है जय जय. गुलवान के परम वीर कथा की जय जय. अम्भोज सिद्धि बुद्ध के नए प्राण की जय जय. धर्म, शांति, प्रेम, करुणा की जय जय. धन्यवाद. हैप्पी टीचर्स डे.
पारस, आपकी जय जय. Paras ki jai jai. Yes, Paras, I want to see you. Kindly put your video on. Yes. So, Paras, आपने इस पोएम को बहुत अच्छा एंडिंग दिया है. So, आपकी जय जय. Okay. And thank you all for this wonderful session in this wonderful virtual meet. I will try कि हम लोग ऐसे ही मिलते रहें जब तक कि हम लोग स्कूल में नहीं वापस आते हैं. And you all spoke so very well. I'm just touched by these these poems and these speeches today. So anyone is there for the vote of thanks, ma'am?
Atharmani is there. I think he'll just conclude with the vote of thanks. Atharmani of class 6, please start. Atharmani. Yes, please start. Beta.
Dear respected teachers, our guiding stars and our loving student community, budding stars, wish you all happy Teachers' Day. We feel it is our great pride and honor on this day to thank all the alma masters great role in making us young. Our first thank goes to our loving and respected principal ma'am, who is the source of all education and who always guide us, keep the future in mind and preparing us to face all the challenges of the life with more positive way. Next, our heartfelt thank goes out to all our teachers, who are our second parents, who always stand by us, guide us, lead us, and put into practice. Dear teachers, we feel proud and thank you for your being our mothers and making us feel happy with your presence to this function. Your presence did make us feel proud. Thank you, dear teachers. Dear friends, let us respect our teachers for their sacrifices in making everyone of great personalities for the future. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day.
Good. Very good, Thar, for these good words for the vote of thanks. And I think all the teachers are there. Yes, all are there. So I would also like to share a few lines at the end. I will. I think Jyoti ma'am, let me conclude this virtual session. With
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please. Yes, ma'am.
So, ये हिंदी में I will conclude. नर हो न निराश करो मन को, नर हो न निराश करो मन को, कुछ काम करो, संभलो कि सुयोग न जाए चला, कब व्यर्थ हुआ सदुपाय भला, समझो जग को न निरा सपना, पथ आप प्रशस्त करो अपना, अखिलेश्वर है अवलंबन को, नर हो न निराश करो मन को. अखिलेश्वर है अवलंबन को, नर हो न निराश करो मन को. अखिलेश्वर मतलब भगवान. हमारे जो गॉड हैं वो हमारे साथ हैं. तो हमें आगे ही बढ़ते रहना है. हमें जब हमारा भगवान हमारे साथ है तो हमको किसी से कोई डर नहीं है. हमको हमेशा आगे बढ़ते रहना है, कुछ काम करते ही रहना है. कुछ काम करो. So with these lines, we will take a leave for today, and thank you all. Thank you very much for coming on this session. Thank you so much. Namaste.
Thank you, ma'am.
Everyone will do namaste. अपनी आवाज़.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, good. All of you will do namaste.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye.
Thank you all the students. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Bye bye.
everyone. Thank you.
Bye
Bye-bye.
Bye.
यहाँ पे साड़ी मैम सुनी है. साड़ी मैम